coming to you from two beautiful locations. I'm in sacred Gubbi Gubbi country on the Sunshine Coast, and I'm here today to share about our upcoming event, Winter Restore Luxury Day Retreat with the amazing Fipe. Welcome.
Sis. I am sitting on beautiful Wurundjeri and Burrong country on Nam, also known as Melbourne. And I'm really excited to be running this event with you and speaking to everyone today about, what we're putting on offer.
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you for the work that you've put into it and for bringing it forward, even finding the most incredible venue that we get to spend some time with. Do you want to tell everyone about the venue? Let's start on the place of the country and land.
Yes, it is the most sacred space that I've had the honor of stepping into here on the coast. And it's been, the birthing of another amazing sister, Charlene Dandulis, who had a vision to bring therapies that optimize health, that support body mind, that really rejuvenate deeply from within, that ignite the spirit. As I stepped into the space, and yeah, it was just perfect. The whole building has been energetically scalar gridded and blessed. So it has a warm, held space, and the container just feels so safe. The therapies that are there are just out of this world, totally reset and recharge every cellular particle of your body, and there's just amazing science behind them to support as well.
Yeah, it's going to be so special. Um, I feel really honored to be able to bring our Pacifica plant medicine into this space and to share it with everyone. Um, having the cacao and ava um, together in ceremony is something that is it's quite common back home in Samoa and in the Pacific, but bringing those plant medicines with the true reverence and context that it has come from um, into Queensland and onto country onto Australia is really special. In Samoa, we drink cacao. It's our national drink. So everyone is drinking it. When you walk into someone's house, they are going to offer you koko. We call it koko Samoa. Um, and when you're being offered it, you're going to go into a space of deep talanoa, like deep conversations. And talanoa means sharing stories for the greater good. So, and that's I guess, when we use cacao to deepen social connection. But we also use koko within our family meetings, our village meetings to help soften us, to help bring us back into our heart center and to ground us. So to be able to use it together with all the wonderful people that will be joining us in July is going to be a magical day. Yeah.
Yeah, it's that opportunity to pause, to breathe, to rest, to share, to deeply reset on all those layers of our being. And we're just welcoming in those souls that resonate with that this winter and are desiring to step into a space that has that sacred energy, that has that safety and that, community that supports the capacity building for the remainder of the year. And even though it's just, maybe some of us go, oh, but it's only one day, that day can be, the biggest step into really allowing ourselves to build that well-being that carries us through the next half of the year.
Yeah. Deep restoration.
Mm. Mm. So Fipe, who is Winter Restore for?
Me.
I'm thinking busy small business
Yeah.
owners like us. Yeah.
Yeah. I need it. Yes, like oh yes, small business owners like ourselves that, as we're heading into winter, may not have the opportunity or the time to have a holiday, but needs to be like feels the need to come into alignment and to recenter. Um, parents, parents that need a break can get someone to mind the kids for the day. To come together as a couple and to put their wellness and their well-being first.
Mm.
Um, and those that, are really also interested in understanding plant medicine, understanding different ways of being, and and want to understand a deeper way of sharing and enjoying those medicines, and how to, I guess, have the appropriate acknowledgements in the space
Mm.
too. Yeah. Do you
Yeah.
want to add to that?
Oh, I'm just thinking of my um, fellow, health practitioners who give so much, and in that small business space, often running a clinic or a client base, sometimes solely as a sole practitioner. And, it's so important for us as practitioners to fill our cups and to also enjoy the practices that we, share with our clients and encourage our community to embody. So I just wanted to speak a little bit into that space, because I feel, as health practitioners, that that's a really important gift to create, carve out time for. And a Sunday, which is when our beautiful Winter Restore Day Retreat is on Sunday, the 14th of July. It's that day that, generally we don't practice in clinic. So yeah, just a call out to those who are in the health practitioner space, wellness practitioner space. This might resonate as a way to gift back to yourself, and we welcome you into the space that we'll be holding. I might share just a little bit about the therapies. The amazing House of Alcheme has fantastic health optimization therapies, sometimes also called biohacking therapies. And, these might be familiar to you. Check out the link in the event description, because there's some more information around that. They're all evidence-based and science-backed, of course, and some are actually medically recommended for vitality, but also for rehab and recovery. What else do we want to share, Pepe? I was thinking, like, how will everyone feel? Oh my God, just completely refreshed and revitalized, deeply connected to yourself, to your clarity, and to your direction, and to your community. That inner sense of belonging, I think, is really the intention of coming out of this deep restoration.
Yeah, and I feel like people also walk away with, you know, a couple of tools to put in their kite. Kite is like the Polynesian word, a Māori word, a Polynesian word for basket, woven
Mhm.
basket. So some tools to put in your kite. So, through the next few months, you can always come back to different breathwork exercises that we'll be doing together, having your koko, or even just putting that time and time and gratitude and space into any motion that you're doing throughout the day and having that moment to slow down. So just a reminder that you can slow down at any
Mm,
point. Yeah.
absolutely. The confidence to implement those rituals in your daily rhythm, and also, the intentional space that you can bring to yourself and to your business and to your community wherever you have those moments. I want to say, just book, just come. It's like, yeah, links down below. We can't wait to open that beautiful sacred space, but also to welcome you in to receive your own insights through the interactions, the stories that we share, the connection that we enjoy together. There will be a catered lunch. It'll be amazing, beautiful, with some features of Polynesian foods. I haven't told you that, Phoebe, yet, have I? So the magical M is going to be seeing if she can source do a couple of dishes, Polynesian style. So yes, it'll be warm, nourishing, delicious. And of course, we'll cater for any dietary requirements. So you just let us know and we'll look after everything. And yeah, we'll see you then. 14th of July, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Maybe 4:30 p.m. if we all get really into the cocoa and kava and talk for too long. But
Yeah.
it happens.
Yeah. Yeah. I look forward to seeing you all.
Me too. See you there.